Hi, hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video will show you how to see folders on Yahoo Mail. I don't know, I've rarely used the Yahoo Mail in my daily life, but this is my old email that I have uh, some needs that open that email because I want to search some history, but then I couldn't find. Firstly, I couldn't find the folders of my email or the label like in Gmail. So how to do it? Actually, it's very simple. I've been looking for 20 minutes about this foldering. You just tap on this inbox, it will be expand the folder of yours. So when I click, this is all the folders like inbox, draft, send, archive, spam, and other folders that I created in the past. Okay, that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.